Alright everyone, I was just going to do a quick upload right now and show y'all how I am tweaking the battery voltage scaler to get the results I want. So, wake up the UPS, I get a little question mark, Shift Y to get into smart mode, Shift B gives us our battery read. I know you guys can't read that, it says 26.86, our actual is 26.82. So we're accurate right now. And now if we remember, it shut off at 21.1, 21.2. We'll call it 21.1 to be safe. And what I actually want it to shut off at is 2.7 volts per cell. So if we go 2.7 times, it's an 8-cell battery, that's 21.6 volts. And we knew it shut off at 21.1 volts. So we need to fake it out to make it think that the battery is actually reading 0.5 volts lower than it is. And that'll also give us the added benefit of a little bit more charge voltage, which we needed as well. So we want to adjust this down by 0.5. You press 1, wait about a second, press 1 again, programming mode. Shift B, it spits out the battery voltage again, but now that we're in programming mode, we can use plus and minus, and you'll see it jumping up and down, and you'll hear the clicks. And so I think we're gonna try let's go for about E3. I did test this earlier. Then we hit enter, Shift R, Shift Y, get back into smart, battery voltage. All right, that's bang on. It thinks it's 26.32, actual 26.81. So that's letting us get discharged. Maybe I'll do one more just to see the difference here. Program, Shift B, go down to E2, Shift R, hopefully that saved it. Shift Y, B, 2605. Yeah, so too much of a jump. So we want to get back into programming, Shift B, come back up to E3, enter, Shift R, Shift Y, Shift B, 26.32 versus our actual 26.81. And that should give us a minimum discharge voltage of 21.6, which is 2.7 volts per cell, which is perfect for these lithium iron phosphate batteries. And that's it. Maybe I'll put a clip in here of me verifying that. Alright, gonna reshoot that last clip. Of course I messed it up right away. Power supply's on, UPS is on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the inverter function on. There it goes, humming away happily. I've heard from FF Cosag, maybe that means I need to replace some of the caps around the logic circuitry, but whatever, get to that later. Let's drop this and see where it turns off. There's 23.5, 22, 22.5. Try and go real slow here. 22. There we go, right below 21.5. We'll take it. Maybe I'll bump the battery voltage up, battery scaler up one tick just to be safe. But like I said, these cells are rated to 2 volts discharge, so 2.7 is already a huge margin. And I'd rather make sure that this, well, yeah, so we'll see. I'll make up my mind later. But now I've confirmed that that did indeed shift the voltage cutoff. So there you go, quick little one. Maybe that's a better format than my normal long blabs. Enjoy.